What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. You can see I'm in a coat, so it's pretty cold right now. If you guys can see the weather, it's actually snowing, but it's like water snow, I guess you could say. Hopefully you guys can see me just fine. But guys, I have a big surprise for you guys. I kept this on the DL. I didn't really want to show anybody, and kind of just kept it to myself. But guys, here we go. Alright guys, you can see that is a little cinematic of my Prelude. Check her out. She is finally in one color, guys. No more primer everywhere. You guys can see. No more rust. My body work is iffy. I'm not the best at body work, but yeah, guys, I'm not the best at body work. You guys can see no more holes where the old Honda emblem used to be. Patched that up because I like it debadged. It looks so much cleaner debadged. You guys can see molded the diffuser to the rear bumper. Once again, my body work is trash, so I know, guys, leave the hate comment out of it, but it is trash. My body work is trash. Trash bodywork, trash bodywork. So I did that, and I also molded, as you can see, the front lip. I molded the front lip to the bumper as well. And yes, guys, once again, trash bodywork, trash bodywork. I am not good at molding anything together, but guys, I can tell you, I'm pretty good at painting. Oh yeah, you guys see this? So when I was painting, I dropped it while it was still drying, and I scratched it, so can't do much about it. I'm gonna have to fix that in the future. But guys, check out this paint job. It is not complete. Yes, you can kind of see a little bit of orange peel, but that's how it's always gonna be when you guys paint something. There's always gonna be a little bit of orange peel. But guys, this is a good paint job. This is how it's always gonna be, guys. You're gonna have to cut, cut and buff, so like, check out all of, like, the paint job is good. It's all about prep work, guys. You guys can prep, you guys can paint. Well, sort of. The prepper will really make it look better, but it also depends if the painter can actually paint. So I have a new job, and I've been at liquid printer for about two months now. I've been liquid painter for 2 months now, going on my third month. So I've been getting really good at painting. And like, here's proof. This is how clean a car looks. Paint job is pretty much on point. Now it just needs to be cut and buff, and then everything's good. But it's really dusty and dirty because I drove it. You guys can see I drove it. Now it's all dirty. See all that? So it's really dirty. Right now, yeah, the paint is not perfect. It can get to perfection. It can be, but what I'm planning to do to the car is, you guys can see, like I told you guys, the weather is shit. It's actually the beginning of winter. I want to get this car done ASAP. So I had the car done before winter so I could have it sit. Because I don't want to have it sit with the rust just keeps getting, with all the rust and stuff. All the rust just keeps getting bigger and bigger, and I don't want that. So I ended up painting the car right before winter. Alright guys, so the paint itself was for $600. So that being said, like, that's because this is the a type of sage, so this came with the diamond white pearl, and the diamond white pearl is a tri-coat. So, you know, you get to paint the actual base coat, which is the white, and then you got to put in the pearls and whatnot. So I had to buy the pearls separately. Pearls was actually a little bit more than the base coat itself. So just the paint alone was $600, and I got to buy all the reducers, you know, the clear coat, all the, you know, hardener and whatnot, and that cost me up to $800. So, but I'm pretty happy because for $800, the paint job better turn out good, and it did. Oh yeah, one thing, guys, you guys see that? I did not paint the inside of my, you know, the inside of my gas filling, whatever shit is, because I forgot all about it. So when I was sanding the car down to get prepped up for paint, I only sanded just the cover. I didn't open it up to sand around the area and sand the inside. So I didn't even paint the inside. So you guys see that little piece right there? I didn't even sand that part. All I did was just sand the surface of this and paint the surface. So I mean, you can't really tell, but just don't look at it. But this is my paint job, guys. For $800 paint job, this is pretty good. And then you can see my tail lights. It's extra shiny because I cleared it. I cleared all my lights. I cleared the tail light, cleared the spoiler light, and I also cleared my headlight because my headlights were fading. So I ended up sanding it down and then clearing it. It looks so much better. Also cleared my signal lights and my fog lights as well. But I didn't get a chance to clear my my side markers. But I'll probably do that in the future. But for now, this is how my car is gonna be sitting. But guys, and also guys, you guys can see I got some new seats. I got some red leather seats. They are not anything expensive, guys. I'm sorry. I want to go with Ricardo's, but they don't come red leather. I'm looking for red leather, and this was the only seat that I found that comes in red leather. So I decided to go cheap on these. Yes, I know that's dangerous, and yes, I know you shouldn't go cheap at all because of quality and whatnot. But so far they're fine. So far they're fine. They're comfortable and everything. They hold me in pretty good. But so far they're good, and I had to create my own custom mounts to mount these in there, but that's super complicated, and I do not want to make a video on that because that's super complicated, super confusing. Like, you guys just have to wing it. Basically, you guys have to wing it because I did measurements and everything, and turns out all the measurements were off, and the brackets didn't work. So I had to remake some brackets and just kind of wing it by measuring each single length and everything like that by itself. And it was just a pain in the ass, guys. I don't want to make a video on it because it's super complicated and super confusing, and I do not want to explain everything to you guys because it's going to be super hard to explain. But keep going on. You guys see this on my visors. You guys remember in the past I put clear effects on this, but it wasn't super shiny at all. But now, I guess see this, I put the same clear that I put on my paint on this. So I cleared this. So for my headlights, tail lights, and everything, I put the same clear that I put on my car, my paint job. I put it on these little accessory parts, and I also put on my roof spoiler and everything. And guys, it just turned out really good. And also, guys, I show you guys the diffuser earlier. I used to have the fins, the diffuser fins. It used to be white, And at first it looked decent, but then eventually it got kind of boring and it doesn't look as good anymore. So I decided to paint it black just like this, so you guys can see from far away. Ooh, that looks sexy. That looks sexy. That black part right there with that little red accent from my tow hook and a polished exhaust, that looks super mint. And like slightly tinted tail lights and slightly tinted roof spoiler light. Ooh, this is sexy as hell, guys. And guys, this paint is brand new, so as you can see, you guys can kind of tell this paint is a little bit more brighter than my old paint job, my old paint, because my old paint is old and faded. This is brand new paint, so my car is a little bit more white, and this is what it should have looked like. So my car doesn't look as ivory anymore, but her name is still Ivory. So guys, this is basically what's going on in my car. She's looking nice and fresh. Like literally every time I drive it, she feels like a brand new car. And I'm just super stoked about it. Oh yeah guys, also one thing, you guys see this? So this is caused because I sent it too deep into the plastic, and so I damaged the plastic. So it looks like that now. But guys, this is what I've been doing to my car secretly, and I've been keeping it like low key because I just kind of want to surprise the channel, because I've been doing so much stuff to the performance wise that I just kind of left alone the look of the car, and I just want to focus on the car, the looks of the car again. So I just went ahead, keep it low key. Didn't want to show you guys, and I didn't even show my crew yet. And I kept it low key, and I want to surprise everyone. And so far, only my buddy Kenji knows about it. But then that, nobody else really knows about it but you guys now. Whoever's the first few watching this video right now, you guys are the first few to see what my car looks like now. Freshly painted. It looks brand new again. No more body rust, guys. So I'm super stoked, guys. No more body rust. But I mean, I still have some rust here and there, like under the car. But other than that, no more body rust, and I'm super stoked. Really, really happy with the car. Alright guys, so this is it for my short little video, guys. Super happy how my car turned out, and I hope you guys like it too. But guys, you guys enjoyed this video, you guys really like how my car is looking right now, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you guys don't miss any more of my videos, because there's gonna be way more to come with this car. Way more to come. But guys, without further ado, peace out. I'll see you guys next time.